Hey guys, today I'm back with these Skittle Nails. If you don't know what Skittles are, they're a sweet. And I was inspired to do these nails by a trend that was popular on Instagram not long ago. And Skittle Nails is when you paint each nail a different colour, or a gradient colour going from like a light pink to a dark pink. So I thought, let's do a play on words and make a Skittle Manny with Skittles. If you want to know how I did these, keep watching. So I started off painting my pinky yellow, and my ring finger red, and my middle finger purple, and my index finger green. And there you go, there's the Skittle part of the Manny. So using my Moyu London Typography 04 plate, I just use a lighter stamping polish and stamps that S and stamps that on the yellow nail. And then with a light pink colour, I just stamped the S again and stamped that on the red nail. You see where I'm going now? And with a light purple, I stamped that S again and stamped that on the purple nail. And then one last time, I used a light green polish and stamped that on the green nail. And finally, a smudge resistant top coat. And then a matte top coat. And there you go, these Skittles nails. I actually like Skittles, they're really good, but I have to eat each flavour individually. I can't just eat them all in one go, it tastes weird. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe good. Thanks so much for watching, bye!